Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here in this one, I'm going to show you this amazing quiz-based mobile application which has been developed on React Native. Now, with the help of this application, a person can play a quiz which is going to have some questions based on, it can be based on any topic, right? The questions are completely customizable. So we have put the questions down here in this JavaScript file from where the application picks up the question and then, it displays the question along with the relevant option on the front end. Now, in the beginning, I'm going to show you how this application works and what all things a person can do and see on this application. And later on, we are going to talk a little bit about the coding section, right? So stay tuned and let's dive straight into the tutorial without wasting any time. So as you can see, this is the splash screen and the code of this screen is present here in this splash.js file. Let me just show it to you. Okay, so we have this pressable component over here. Now if I click this start button, it will redirect us to the screen called question. Now how this redirection thing is happening, let me tell you that. So we have this function called onPress, right? And we have something called navigation in React Native, with the help of which you can redirect the user from one screen to another. So that's what has been used for navigating the person from the splash screen to this beautiful question screen. Okay, now on the top you can see we have a scroll bar, right? And let me show you the code of this scroll bar, progress bar, sorry. Okay, so if you see here, we have put this progress bar down over here, right? This is the code from where this progress bar is coming, and we have a library called React Native Progress that you can use for getting this progress bar on the top. Then what we have done here is we have linked the progress, right, the progress property of this progress bar with the progress named variable, which has the total number of questions. So let's say if you have defined 5 questions down over here, so initially the value of progress will be 1, right, which we have defined over here, right? So that's a formula that we have used basically, right? Now, as soon as you answer the question, let's say the answer of this question is September 8th. So you get to see this green box kind of a thing. Okay, and if you answer it incorrectly, so you will get to see a red box instead, right? So let's say September 8th, and if I click this next button, so what is going to happen? The progress value has increased by 1. That is, see this progress bar also going up, right, in the right side. Let's answer this question. So if I say Malayalam, I think this is the correct answer. Next. Okay, and let us select third one. Okay, it's not the correct one. Let us select Jainism. Okay, this is the correct one. Ghatotkacha in Mahabharat was the son of, so let's select Bhim. Okay, so it's the correct answer, and my score is 50, right? So out of total 6 questions, I gave 5 answers, 5 questions. I answered 5 questions correctly, and that's why my score is 50 over here. So this is the final screen which the user gets to see once he's done with playing the quiz. And if you want to again play it, he can simply click this play again button, which redirects the user to this splash screen where you get to see the questions, where you get to see the instructions and all, and then you can start the quiz again like this, right? So this is the application, and that's how the application works. Okay, now we are going to talk about a little bit of the coding section. So here you can see we have this main entry file called app.js, right? Wherein I'm calling this app navigator. Now, from where is this app navigator coming? So let me show you everything. So what I did was I created an npx project, and after that I created a folder called src, okay, which is source. And then I created these folders, one with name components, the other with name config, the other with name navigation, and the fourth one with name screens. In this navigation we have a file called app navigator.js, wherein I am calling all the screens that we have created. Okay, so there are three different screens as I've showed you. One is the splash screen, which is the landing page, right? The other one is the question screen, where the user gets to see the question along with the relevant options. And the final screen is the score screen, where the user gets to see the score. Okay, so that's where I'm using the stack navigator for linking the various screens created and defined in this screens named folder. Okay, then comes this splash.js. This is the code we have used, right? This is TWRNC, the library that we have used for styling the text and images we have used in the application. Okay, then there is this question named screen we have created. Okay, where we have put different logic that is required for this quiz application. So how the score gets calculated, how the progress bar should increase, right? All that logic is there in this question.js named file. Okay, I've showed you everything. Then we have this score.js file, wherein we show the user the final score. Okay, so that is how we have created this beautiful application. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to create such applications, you want to learn the technologies which you can use for creating such beautiful applications, you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screen. I'm going to share my contact details in the description section also of this video, so you can take it down from there. Besides that, I would request you to keep sharing and liking my videos, so that more and more people can come and check my channel, and they can also learn these beautiful kind of things, right? So React Native is one of the libraries, JavaScript based libraries, that we can use for creating such beautiful mobile applications. So basically it's used for creating both iOS and Android types of mobile apps. Okay. Besides this, if you want to create it in Python, then there is a library called KiwiMD, the tutorial of which also you can find on my YouTube channel. So it's again a Python-based library, wherein which the user can use for creating different types of mobile applications. Okay, so that's it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys liked it. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day ahead, guys.